So this is what a 1-inch kit looks like. A 1-inch lift kit slash spacer kit looks like. And it almost looks like it's up like 3 inches, but no, they're just 1 inch. And here's a comparison. I got the same kit for this car over here, but I didn't put it in yet. Oh, battery's getting low. So I got the same thing for this car, but I didn't put it in yet, so you can see the difference. It might also be the way it's parked. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna move this car right now because the battery is unhooked. And why is the battery unhooked? Well, because the alarm keeps going off. Why does the alarm keep going off? From what I read, it's either the key fob is dying, the battery and the key fob is dying, or the battery itself is dying. I mean, both are probably the case. So that's an easy fix, an expensive one though. And I've already put a lot of money into the car. It only has 74,000 miles on it. But it's easy to work on. And that's good because you're going to be working on it. All the plastic parts that are in it, I'm switching them out with aluminum parts. And this car runs hot. I'm almost wondering if it seems to be, something seems to be slowing it down. It seems to be like not having as much power as it should. And I'm wondering, I got a new turbo for it, but I'm wondering if it just needed a catalytic converter. That's another known thing. It just goes on and on. I mean, thank God it's easy to work on, because there's just so much stuff about this car that is just terrible. But people make them into good cars, so that's what I'm doing, making it into a good car. But here's the thing. This Saab over here, this is the car I've had for years. This is turning out to be a much better car. And they're both made by GM too. But this is 2007, this is 2014. So that might be an indication right there. You know, after seven years later, it's 7 years worse. But, yeah. All right. Did I forget anything? Well, I'm trying to make this a useful video for people. It was lift kit and spacers. I'm not really sure what they are. They're almost kind of like a combination of both, because a lift kit usually is like a whole shock and mounts everything switch out. But that's because they're lifting it several inches. Freaking. This was pretty easy to do. They go on the top of the struts in the front. That was reasonably easy. I had to do some customization to the part itself, but that's because I think the guy sent me or the wrong part, or they just assumed all cars are the same. So I had to drill out a hole on the top plate so that the new bolt would go through, and I still got work to do on that. Just ridiculous. Back ones though were actually more difficult because you had to use spring compressors, and that was just plain scary and difficult to do because there's not a lot of room to work on it. If I had a lift, that completely changed the story, but working on a jack